Assalamu alaikum, dear friends and colleagues. We continue the topic of why an air conditioner cools weakly. The second reason is that the air conditioner's filters are dirty. No matter how clean our home is, there are invisible dust particles in the air. How can these small dust particles affect the cooling of such a large machine? The air passing through the AC first goes through these filters. The filters can hold back a very large part of the small dust particles in the air passing through them. But over time, the filters get dirty and the airflow passing through them weakens. For example, a device with a cooling capacity of 24,000 BTU must pass 1,000 cubic meters of air through the evaporator every hour. Only in this case can it work at full power. Sometimes we witness that the AC runs continuously but cannot cool the room according to its capacity. In such cases, users are usually indifferent to the matter. But in this situation, every user needs to check the cleanliness of the filters. Their being dirty does not just end with weak cooling. We should know that the compressor is designed to work with gas vapor, not liquid. When the airflow is weak, the refrigerant does not fully evaporate and return to the compressor in liquid form. The liquid then destroys its valves. This can sometimes lead to the failure of the compressor, the repair of which equals half the price of the entire device. Also, dirty filters cause the AC to be unable to cool the room effectively and to run continuously. Since the device cannot provide the power shown on the date plate, it works without any break. This results in a very heavy electricity bill at the end of the month. At the same time, dirty filters weaken the boiling process occurring in the AC evaporator. The optimal boiling temperature should be plus 5 degrees Celsius or plus 41 degrees Fahrenheit. If this indicator drops just 1 Kelvin, 1.8 Fahrenheit, the cooling capacity will decrease by 3 to 5%. AC filters should be cleaned at least every 2 weeks. Now you will see the cleaning process on the screen. I recommend using a soap brush and a few drops of the liquid soap. After washing, the filter must be dried completely and only then reinstalled. But I want to note that this simple method is valid for ACs cleaned every 2 weeks. Sometimes we encounter filters that are extremely dirty, like that. Especially in ACs located in kitchens, all vapors combine with the dust to create a sticky layer. It is impossible to clean such filters with the method you see in the video. For this, a professional AC cleaner must be used. This can only be done by certified technicians. Frequent cleaning of filters is also necessary to protect our health. In the next part, we will talk about which part of the AC gets dirty first due to dirty filters. If you have any questions, you can direct them to us in the comments. Don't forget to like us and subscribe. Thank you for watching us until the end.